Hello students, I'm Imani Sharma, your educator. I warmly welcome you all on our YouTube platform, where we in today's video are going to discuss yet another important novelist whose name is Ruskin Bond. Now, when I talk about Indian literature in English ka part, novelists such as him, such as Raja Rao, right, R.K. Narayan, Mulkraj Anand, Kamla Markandeya, they all hold a special place, because most of the times from their works questions are asked, right? So let's just move forward and see what works he has written. So here's an image of Ruskin Bond. He was born in 1934 in Kasauli, right? He was born in Kasauli, and right now he is living in Mussoorie in India only, right? So that was something basic that we all need to understand whenever we are touching upon a new writer, right? Moving forward, he has been a person who has been awarded with the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1992, Padma Shri in 1999 and Padma Bhushan in 2014, right? So, some important facts. Now, jumping on to the important facts, we need to make sure that we are noting them down nicely, right? So, when I talk about Ruskin Bond, he has been a prolific author who has written children books which have been a source of inspiration, not just for the children, even for a person like me as well. So, I have read works like The Blue Umbrella, about which we are going to talk about आज की क्लास में. तो इन्होंने बहुत सारी children books जो हैं, he has penned them down. And of course, we also see that he is known as Indian William Wordsworth. Why are we calling him the Indian William Wordsworth is because of the fact that he was one such person who was associated with writing such kind of stories, novels, which were very much simple in their language. Simple language with common themes. क्योंकि अगर हम वर्ड्सवर्थ की बात करते हैं, who is a very prominent figure in the romantic area, right, romantic age में, especially in British literature का part, we see his pieces of poetry that he is writing. वो कहते हैं that a poet is a man speaking to men, right? So we see that he wants the language really used by men, and the scenery, जिस चीज की description होगी, that too should be the one which is talking about the rustic life of the common people. इसी वजह से in the writings of Ruskin Bond as well, we will see that the scenery जो कि prolifically यहाँ पे prominently and predominantly यहाँ पे देखने के लिए मिलती है, it is majorly set in villages as well. His essays and articles were produced and published in numerous magazines such as The Pioneer, The Leader, The Tribune and The Telegraph. So he's been a person who has written many essays and articles as well. और एक BBC TV सीरीज आई थी which was based on his debut novel, right? एक था रस्टी, जिसके बारे में आज हम लोग बात करेंगे. तो एक था रस्टी करके TV सीरीज भी आई थी. And when we talk about Susanna's Seven Husbands, this particular work of his was adapted into a film जिसमें Priyanka Chopra has done the lead role. Saat Khoon Maaf was a movie which has been adapted from his work Susanna's Seven Husbands, right? And the film Junoon is inspired by his work A Flight of Pigeons. So we see that how pieces of literature, they also hold importance in the field of theatre as well. His autobiography is known by the name Lone Fox Dancing with the subtitle An Autobiography, right? So what are the important and quintessential themes that we prominently see in his works? They are his love and sincere concern for nature. Just like Wordsworth ने, इसीलिए हम उन्हें Indian Wordsworth बोल रहे हैं, just Wordsworth ने जैसे करा था, by publishing the lyrical ballads in 1798, उन्होंने nature के प्रति, तभी तो romantic age आई थी, right? He showed his love towards nature. Same was the case with Bond in here, right? Innocence and internal longing for something. आज हम लोग the novel जिसके बारे में बात करेंगे, The Blue Umbrella, we will see that how because the books that he is majorly writing, उनका genre जो है, वो children literature है, we will see that how the innocence and naivety जो बच्चों में होती है, that is portrayed, right? 2 autobiographical volumes he has published, Scenes from a Writer's Life and The Lamp is Lit, when he was formatively living in India, ये उनके बारे में है. And Leaves from a Journal is based on his journal entries, essay collection and episodes about his years making his life as a freelance writer. So he is a person जिन्होंने freelancing भी करी हुई है, right? Now कुछ इनके works थे जिनमें supernatural things भी थी, supernatural fictional works कहा जाता है, where we see ghost stories from the Raj. So we see the advent and usage of characters or scenery जहाँ पे भूतों की बातें हो रही हैं. A season of ghosts, A face in the dark and other hauntings. So we see supernatural fiction where we see यहाँ पे ghosts as some sort of supernatural element have been taken in his work. Now coming to his first work that we are going to talk about, The Room on the Roof. It is considered to be a semi-autobiographical work adapted as a दूरदर्शन सीरीज, जिसके बारे में मैं अभी आप लोग से बात कर रही थी. दूरदर्शन ने द रूम ऑन द रूफ को एक था रस्टी करके एक टीवी सीरीज में अडेप्ट करा था, राइट? मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, व्हाट इज इट अबाउट? एक ऑर्फन्ड बॉय है who now does not have a real family of his own. He is an अनाथ बच्चा, right? After his parents' death, so he does not have any relatives, so to say, but he is living under the care of a guardian. Even there's one prominent critic, Shantaram Rao, उन्होंने New York Times में he commented, like an Indian bazaar itself, the book, The Room on the Roof, is filled with the smells, sights, sounds, confusion and subtle organization of ordinary Indian life. So however we see things in the Indian bazaar, अब हम जाते हैं, चहक पहक देखते हैं, still there are certain things which are organized, there are certain things which are in a chaotic manner. The shopkeepers are the ones जो चिल्ला रहे होते हैं चीजें खरीदने के लिए, right? So all these things which are ordinary in the Indian sphere, उनके बारे में हम अगर बुक भी पढ़ते हैं, we get the idea, right? Vagrants in the Valley was a sequel to The Room on the Roof that was published in the same year 1956 as this one. So this is the first page in here. Now talking about the overview, not the entire summary you all are supposed to do on your own. Coming back to the protagonist, we have Rusty here, who is the main character who lives in Dehra. So Ruskin Bond was one such person जो देहरादून को देहरा कहते थे. That's why we see him using this particular word like this. Mr. John Harrison, he is one such person who is the guardian of Rusty, and of course we see that he holds some sort of negative view of India and its culture. Even if he is living in India, he still considers the habits etc. of Indians to be inferior, right? Then we have Somi and Ranbir, who became friends with Rusty one day, and we have Kishan, who Rusty started tutoring him in English. So Kishan is basically Mrs. Meena Kapoor ka beta, Mrs. Meena Kapoor, and we have another character here, Mr. Kapoor. So Meena Kapoor and Mr. Kapoor, they are husband and wife, and they together have a children named Kishan. So Kishan को English की tuitions देने के लिए Rusty comes, and eventually we will see that he will fall in love with Mrs. Meena Kapoor. जो Mr. Kapoor है, he is not a good character, he is not a good husband, not a good father as well, because of the fact that he is an alcoholic, he is an abusive parent, right? So that is what we have in here. This is the overview. So basically ये सारी चीजें हैं. You are supposed to read the summary on your own. And why is it titled as The Room on the Roof? What's up with the title is that जिस room में Rusty used to teach Kishan, right? उसी वो room roof पे था. That's why the title of the work like this. Then we have the next work, The Blue Umbrella, which was published in the year 1974, a novel of children's genre. So this particular work of Ruskin Bond is the one जिसमें children genre में लिखा गया, specifically dealing with the children psychology, the mind that they have. Set in a Garhwal village of Himachal Pradesh. So we see majorly settings जो होंगी Ruskin Bond की stories की, they will be in the hills only, right? This is a simple story of a girl named Binia, who's a mountain girl who chances upon a blue umbrella and gets it for herself in exchange for a lucky charm. So there is a leopard claw. कई Japanese tourists would come to visit India, जिनके पास Binya will see that there is a blue umbrella and she fascinates it like anything. I'll tell you the entire story in a while. This particular work also appeared in Bond's collection of short stories, Children's Omnibus. तो कई बार इस point of time पे they are asking questions related to short stories as well. So we need to be very well aware. Ruskin Bond of course prominent writer हैं, तो इन्होंने एक short story collection भी लिखी थी जिसमें we see the blue umbrella. It's not a particular बड़ा वाला novel जैसे typical novels होते हैं. It's a very small novel, right? Adaptation in 2005. There was a movie directed by Vishal Bhardwaj. वो इस particular work की adaptation थी. So we see Blue Umbrella adapted into a movie. The Room on the Roof adapted in a TV series. So this is the cover page. So Binya is a small girl from the hills and is of a tender age. Bijju Binya का brother है. Ram Bharosa is a greedy shopkeeper. Why have I used this particular word greedy in front of the word shopkeeper? I'll tell you. Then we have Ram Rajan who works at Ram Bharosa's shop. Now, because of the fact that I was telling you that Binya mountains में इधर उधर घूमती रहती है, one day she comes across एक tourists आए होते हैं and she goes and she sees a very beautiful blue umbrella and she asks them that I need this blue umbrella. So they ask something in return because they were also seeing something important in her hands and everything. So what was that lucky charm? एक leopard claw था that these tourists wanted in exchange of the blue umbrella. So she gives that lucky charm to the tourists and she has that blue umbrella and she keeps on roaming here and there, keeping her blue umbrella, not even closing it. Anytime she will not even close it. वो इधर उधर अपनी blue umbrella लेके घूमती रहती हैं. Everybody in the village talks about her beautiful blue umbrella. And that's when we see Ram Bharosa has asked several times to Binya, कि give me that blue umbrella, I'll give you some money. Or some other tactics as well he tries to use. But Binya, because she has fallen in love with that blue umbrella, she would not give it to him. Right? At the end we see Ram Bharosa, Ram Rajan, जो कि एक बच्चा है राम भरोसा के शॉप पे. राम राजन जो है उसको उनके मालिक यानी कि राम भरोसा कहते हैं that you will have to steal that umbrella for me. So Ram Rajan steals that umbrella, is later on caught by Bijju, जो कि बिनिया के ब्रदर हैं. And of course ये बात पूरे ही village में फैल जाती है that Ram Bharosa, being a man who's an adult, right, he wanted to steal an umbrella from a small girl child. So that is something which takes a toll on his financial situation as well. People stop going to his shop. कोई भी उनकी shop से चीजें नहीं खरीदता. But still the naivety, the innocence that I was talking to you about the themes in here, यहाँ पे देखते हैं कि बिनिया अपनी blue umbrella राम भरोसे को दे देती है because she knows that what he is going through. Nobody उनकी shop पे कोई नहीं आ रहा है चीजें खरीदने के लिए. So she knows that she offers the blue umbrella to him. And the entire story, how things happen, why they happen, etc. You'll have to read the entire summary. So this was the crux that I told you entirely. Right? So there are also small books which I used to see in my library when I was studying. A little book of love and companionship, a little book of friendship, courage, little book of everything. These little books are literally little in their nature because they incorporate several quotes which can be motivational for any person. Right? So these are certain little books that he has written. Now moving on to the questions for today. Which of the following is the first book written by Ruskin Bond? The right answer to this question is option A. It's The Room on the Roof is the debut novel of Ruskin Bond. You'll have to pause the screens to look at the question and then answer because I'll be moving forward of course. For which of his works was he awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1992? I told you that he has won a Sahitya Akademi Award but I did not tell for which book. So that's because I had a question in here in store for you all. The right answer to this question is option C, Are trees still grow in Dehra? You see here as well in the title, he has not completely written Dehradun. He has used the word Dehra. Then we have the next question. Bond has also acted in an Indian movie based on one of his stories. What's the name of the movie? So there was one movie जिसमें रस्किन बॉन्ड ने एक cameo रोल करा था, एक छोटा सा रोल करा था. The movie's name is option C, सात खून माफ, जिसके बारे में अभी हमने देखा, Susanna's 7 husbands के ऊपर this particular movie is based, right? So I hope you have understood the things. If you still have any doubts with regards to Bond or any other thing, you can drop it down in the comment section below. I'll try to reply for sure. Till then, keep on studying. Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye-bye.